Hi, folks. Thank you for checking out my total traffic product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a unique opportunity, so I recommend that you seize it today. I have identified the product in the first link in the description below. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. And bonus number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And the real word here is recurring passive income. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy it from someone else on Fiverr at a lower price and then market it to your buyer and pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And it's a very straightforward process, and you can easily follow it while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website. And then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And bonus number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to sell other affiliates and outsell other affiliates and much, much more. Now, let's find out from Fergal Downs, one of my coaches, by the way, what total traffic is all about. Now, I bought this product, so I know it works.
Hey there, what's up guys? It is Fergal Downs here, and together with my business partners, Max G and Al Cheeseman, we would like to say a massive welcome to you to our brand new course and our brand new method, which is called Total Traffic. Now, when it comes to being an affiliate marketer or an internet marketer, traffic is king. But here's the thing, when it comes to paid traffic, it's very, very difficult to get a return on investment when you're using paid traffic. Facebook ads is increasingly more expensive. Google ads is equally just as expensive. So getting that return on investment is very, very difficult. But with free traffic, every single penny that you make from that free traffic is 100% profit. So what we're going to be teaching you inside Total Traffic is a new AI free traffic method that's going to allow you to get over 500 clicks to your offers, blogs, and websites every single day. This is super, super highly targeted free traffic that you can get every single day to your offers, blogs, and websites, and this converts into sales at just as high a rate as paid traffic does. Now, these 500 clicks have led to us making over $2,000 per day on a regular occasion. So just imagine what you can do with over 500 targeted clicks every single day, guys. So I want to thank you for checking out this sales page for Total Traffic. Thank you for watching this video. All that's left to do right now is go below this video right now, click on the join button, and we will see you inside the members area in just a moment. We will get started teaching you our Total Traffic method in just a moment, and we can't wait to see your success with this method on the inside.